So we're over here in Burlington, North Carolina, and there's a truck that has all kinds of really cool information inside. It's got some kind of a pole. I'm not real sure what it's for, but anyway, it is very interesting. It's even got a telephone, a public telephone right here on the side, along with his toolbox and all kinds of interesting. I'm taking a video of your truck. It is so funny. So what inspired you to do this truck?
I got bored.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Well, how cool. Are you from Burlington?
Yeah, I live right there.
Okay. All right. Well, my son will absolutely love this. And he did this because he was bored. Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, I'm actually on the way to a car show right now.
You are? Well, very good. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Have a great day.